There's nothing like an age-old trade. It sets you apart, makes you important, and, admit it, the hood looks cool too. So grab your gear and let's get welding, because you've been accepted to Tulsa Welding School. Go on, brag to your friends and family, but classes start soon, so let's get ready. Finish the enrollment process, start planning your move, and keep in touch with your admissions representative along the way. Because once you're here, we turn up the heat. You'll train in our fully equipped welding lab, learn from experienced instructors, earn your diploma in as little as 7 months, and leave with a skill that can take you anywhere. We know you're ready. We know you'll build great things. So let's get to it, because when the sparks fly, anything's possible. Contact your representative now to learn about next steps, and we'll see you soon.